Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be discussing some items that I think every natural should have. Every natural should have these items. If you're interested in seeing some of these items that I will be discussing in this video, make sure you stay tuned. So some of these items that I will be showing you all, every natural should already have in their possession. However, if you don't, if you're just starting out and you want to be natural for the upcoming new year, I have some items that I really think that you should possess or try to get within your natural hair journey. Now, all of these items that I will be discussing will be linked in the description box below, but these are some items that I swear by and I personally use myself. So let's just jump right into the video. These first items goes without saying, and these are satin scarves. This is just a whole bunch of different satin scarves that I own, and I already explained to you all the importance of using satin scarves, pillowcases, as well as bonnets. I will link that video here in the cards above, so make sure you check that out. When I use a bonnet, I actually been leaning more towards this bonnet that I got from Tailored Beauty, and I love it because of the ridges that's around the front. It does not leave any demarcation on my forehead, and it fits any style that I put in my hair, so I really love using this bonnet. However, any satin scarf or bonnet will work. The second item that I think every natural should have is this drain cover right here. This thing is so good at catching all of your hair when you're detangling in the shower. I love to wash and detangle my hair in the shower, so this is a must for me. I'm not trying to have my whole septic system backed up because of curls, you know. Make sure that you purchase a drain cover, and this one works awesome. Like I said, I will have a link below to everything that I'm mentioning in this video. Now, this third item is optional, but get you some plastic caps, okay? Go to your beauty supply store and get you some plastic caps. You need these when you are deep conditioning. They help to keep all of the heat and moisture in when you are deep conditioning. So get you some plastic caps. Now, if you don't have any plastic caps, girl, use you a Walmart bag, a Target bag, a grocery store bag. Anything that will hold the moisture in your hair when you are deep conditioning will work. But get you some plastic bags. They only like, what, you get 50 of them for probably $2.99. Get you some plastic caps, girl. Stop tripping. Stop tripping. It ain't gonna break the bank. So this next item is not sponsored, and y'all have heard me talk about this several times in a lot of my videos. I actually have a whole video dedicated to this item, so I will leave that in the cards above. But it is this cap from Thermal Hair Care. I love this cap, okay? I've said it several times before, so I'm not going to go into details. I will link the video up in the cards above, but I absolutely love this cap. It changed my entire deep conditioner game. I swear by this cap. Get you one. So moving right along, the next item that I'm going to be showing you all is this diffuser. Don't look too close because it's broke up in the middle. It's very universal. It pops on any blow dryer just like that. No issues whatsoever. I'm not really a big fan of diffusing my hair. I love to air dry my hair, but with it being cold, this diffuser does come in handy, and it was really cheap. So I love using this when it's cold outside. I don't want to walk out with my hair soaking wet and getting sick again. I'm just recovering from a cold. Get yourself a diffuser. So this next item I absolutely love, and these are some satin scrunchies. I purchased a pack of these from Amazon, and I just love them. I don't put them too tight on my head because I don't want to get a headache, but this is enough to put all my hair in and have this good, I actually have one on right now if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. So to get this good puff, I usually wrap it around twice, but these are really good. You can get them in all different colors. I prefer to go with black because it goes with my hair and you can't see it. If I swing my head like this, it's not being shown. So yeah, get yourself some satin scrunchies. Let's go hand in hand with the satin scrunchies. Get yourself some of these. You want that nice high puff that's very defined, you know, when you're smacking up the gel in your head, and you want your puff and buns to look really good. Get you some of these scrunchies. I love these. I love it. And it was for the low. Now, these scrunchies do not have that little metal piece that can snag onto your curls, so that's why I really love these. I actually have to hide these from my kids because I won't find them when I'm looking for them. This next item is going to blow your mind. It's going to blow your mind. You need a good nail clip, and I'm going to tell you why. Have you ever tried detangling your hair with your fingers with your nails all janky? Like, girl, you know. Get yourself a good nail clip and have it on standby. Have it right near your shower or wherever you detangle your hair at, because this is a must. When you get them little hangnails, get your fingernail clip, trust me. So y'all have seen me use these next items time and time again in my videos, but it is these Gorilla clips. I love these clips in my hair. Don't try to be all bougie and go get you anything cute because I tried it. Where is it? Where is that clips? I tried to buy these clips, which you would think they are the same thing, and it's not. My hair gets tangled all up in it and it snatches my curls out because I wanted to be cute and get all these cute colors. It just didn't work for me. Do not go and purchase these either, because these things snatches my hair from the scalp. It pulls out my hair like no other. I cannot stand these clips. I don't even know why they sit here. Yeah, cancel those. Get yourself some good Gorilla clips just like this. They are very good, heavy duty and sturdy, and it holds my hair up really good when I'm styling. So I love these. Get yourself some good clips. So of course this wouldn't be a natural hair must-have if I didn't mention a microfiber towel. You can get your microfiber towel from Marshall's. That's where I purchased mine from. You can get a 3 or 4 pack, I believe, for about $5.99, and I love a microfiber towel. If you don't know what the importance of having a microfiber towel is, girl, check out this video that I got linked up in the cards above. Just check it out. It'll explain all in detail why you need a microfiber towel. Get yourself some microfiber towels. So this next item, I'm pretty sure you all have seen back in 2019 all over Instagram. I never did an actual formal video about it. Sorry, that's my clothes in the dryer. But I never did an actual video about this, but this is the Detangler brush. I'm pretty sure you all have seen, and I love this brush. I get so many questions on where I purchased this brush from. This is the best detangler brush I have used in a really long time. Before using this brush, this simple brush that I purchased from Walmart that worked. I love using it in my hair, but with this brush you can actually pop this off right here in the back, and it gives you more flexibility. All the arms move just like that, and I love it. And you can actually put it back if you want the brush to be more stable when you're detangling your hair, and it's so easy to clean out. The hair comes right out, so I really love this. I use it in the shower, I use it when I'm styling. I really love this, and y'all have seen this in my videos before. So yeah, so there is a difference between a styling brush, a detangler brush. You can use any brush however you feel is best for you and your hair, but when they specify certain things with these items, you want to make sure that you're using them for that reason. What's the purpose of buying it if you're not going to use it as it's supposed to be used, right? I do want to mention my dimming brush. I have not used this in a very long time, but this dimming brush is a styling brush. This is not used to detangle your hair. A lot of people do use it as a detangler, but for me it will snag out my hair if I use it as a detangler brush. I'm just being honest. You really have to take your time and comb all the way up your hair, all the way to the roots, because if you go in there like, girl, you're gonna be bald headed. I love it as a styler. It do distribute the product in my hair all the way out. Like if you haven't seen an old video that I've posted with me using this dimming brush, I'll have it linked in the cards above, but I used a little bit of product and it definitely distributes the product all the way throughout your hair. You will see it. So I love a good dimming brush. So of course I could not end this video of natural hair must-haves without mentioning the one item that I use in practically all my videos, is this spray bottle right here. This spray bottle is a 360 mist spray bottle. So if you spray it out, you see how the water just comes out in a mist. It doesn't come directly. Now, this can be a bit nerve-wracking sometimes if you're just trying to wet the area of your hair and keep it moving, because if you keep pressing it, like, it's just going to mist your hair. It's not going to soak your hair right away, so you have to keep spraying it. However, you can just go to your beauty supply store and get you a bottle like this for $1.99, maybe even 99 cents, and it sprays directly onto your hair, and your hair will be soaked within a few seconds. So these two bottles, I swear by, you need you some type of moisture or mist bottle to use when you are styling your hair, especially for me, because y'all know I love to apply my products on soaking wet hair. So definitely make sure that you get you either one of these bottles. Will work. Anything that will wet your hair. You can even dump your hair in a bucket if you need to, sis. Just do what you got to do to get that hair nice and wet. So this next item that I think every natural should definitely have in their possession, especially if you love to do your hair in the shower like myself, is this shower mirror right here. If you all can see it now that I'm using it, this is something that I thought I didn't really need, but once I got it, I can't live without it. So I love to see as I'm detangling my hair in the shower, and this just steps on the wall like this, and I love it because it do not fog up. I love to take hot showers. Get yourself a good shower mirror that do not fog up on you when you're in the shower. So before I end this video, there are two other items that I want to mention that is not in my possession, but I really am interested in purchasing these items. They are currently sold out because of the holidays just ended, and everybody was purchasing them up because they had a really good deal going on that I, of course, missed out on. But I will be buying them soon, and I will let you all know what I think. But this item is actually called the curl cap. Have you not seen it on Instagram? I will link link a picture here. I just think it's so cute and it's very trendy for the summertime. So I will be purchasing one of these because I love to wear baseball caps certain times throughout the year. Now for this other item that I want to mention that I seen on Instagram, it's called the hair brella. Now this is a must-have. This is something that I will leave in my car to make sure that my hair is not getting soaking wet, especially when I just finished a good wash and go. So I'm interested in purchasing these products as well. If you already have either one of these, let me know in the comment section below. Did I miss anything? Let me know what is some of your natural hair must-haves that you must have as a natural. Let me know in the comment section below. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up and comment the next video that you would like to see by me. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.